All Wilmer patients and operating rooms are connected via the Epic electronic medical records system. Epic allows for charting of clinic visits and operative notes. Through the Epic system, one is able to view a history of all previous encounters with the Johns Hopkins system and also specifically view all ophthalmology notes. Summary screens allow one to see historical prior intraocular pressures in each eye and also historical visual acuity readings. Several methods are also available for discerning which medicines patients are currently taking, when these prescriptions expire, and which pharmacy the order was sent to. Patients' messages come into Epic through the patient portal or through phone calls which are logged in Epic. Epic also allows for easy communication between providers and office staff who are able to relay straightforward messages to patients about refills, scheduling, return to work, and other simple clinical questions. After-hours calls are relayed through an answering service. Epic also allows for posting of surgical cases and links to Forum, which houses all ophthalmic imaging results. Forum, which was created by Zeiss, also allows for advanced analysis of visual field data, such as changing which visual fields are to be used as a baseline and excluding unreliable tests. Epic makes it easier for us to handle our clinical responsibilities so we may focus more on important aspects of clinical and surgical care, and also teaching. At Wilmer, we offer our patients the full array of glaucoma surgical options, including trabeculectomy, tube shunts, deep sclerectomy, Zen, cataract surgery, hydrus, eye stent, dual-blade goniotomy, Omni, GAT, Diode Laser cyclophotocoagulation, and Micropulse Laser. We also handle complex cases and surgical revisions including bleb needling, repair of overfiltering/leaking blebs, repair of exposed tubes, and drainage of choroidals. You will learn these procedures from experienced faculty who, in many cases, have been involved in the clinical trials to get these surgeries approved or have published important articles on the outcomes of these procedures. Considerable time is spent outside the operating room to make sure that we achieve our best surgical results. Twice a month, difficult clinical scenarios are discussed via a Zoom call to get faculty input into how we might deliver our best clinical care. We also conduct wet lab teaching sessions for our trainees, both in group settings and individually, with each resident prior to starting on service. Our glaucoma faculty is also incredibly dedicated to training the next generation of practitioners and leaders in our field. In addition to having residents and fellows spend time with us in the clinic and operating room, our faculty spend 1 hour a week on Mondays discussing our latest research with the glaucoma faculty, trainees, and students. We also dedicate an hour every week to discussing the most important published literature, which provides evidence about how best to care for glaucoma patients. Fellows also have weekly individual meetings with our senior faculty to discuss glaucoma care and research at a deeper level, while residents on service have weekly one-on-one meetings to review topics most relevant to the care of glaucoma.